Hello, hello. We officially have a brand new feature inside of HighLevel's courses area that we have been waiting for a very, very long time and pushed very hard for. We now have the option to add captions to all of our course videos. Super exciting stuff. So if you come into your course, any course at all, and then into whatever lesson you want to add the actual file into, you'll see this brand new button, which is like CC with a square around it. Click this, and then you're going to have the option to go ahead and upload a new file. I'm going to find that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't have any SRT files like readily available, so I just grabbed a sample here. And then we're going to go ahead and hit upload, and it's going to do its thing. And now what you will see is that I can go ahead and, oh, I just turned it off. I'm going to mute it so we don't get some weird interference. And you officially have subtitles inside of your course now. Give me 1 second. We'll actually, I guess the question is, how do I remove these? Okay, beautiful. So in order to remove those, you can just go ahead and delete, confirm, and we are good to go. And you can see that CC button goes away on the video. So super exciting update. We can now do captions and we couldn't be more thrilled.
I just wanted to give you a really quick training on how to actually obtain the SRT files in order to upload them into HighLevel and add transcripts or add captions to all of your videos. If you're using Komodo Dex, which highly recommend, we love it much more than Loom, but you're going to go into the video, you click the 3 buttons in the top right, go down to edit, click transcript on the left side, and then the 3 buttons again, and then you download the SRT file. It is as simple as that. This is the SRT file you're uploading into HighLevel. If you're using Descript or any of the other variations, it is all similar to this. You go into your video, export, you're going to go over to subtitles, make sure it is an SRT file, and then export it. Again, that is the file you upload. If you are trying to just upload videos into your course directly from Zoom, you're not doing any editing or anything, that is an option. First, you need to be recording to the cloud. And when you record to the cloud, it gives you the option for closed captions. You go ahead and you download that, which gives you a VTT file. You can see here. So in order to change that into an SRT file, we have used HappyScribe in the past. It's free. We haven't gotten to the part where we had to pay yet, so don't hold me to it. But you go to select your file, you select a VTT file, the output is the SRT, you convert, and it immediately downloads to your computer as an SRT file. Alrighty, I hope that helps. The options for most platforms that you're using, it should be very similar. And once again, you just upload that into the corresponding video on HighLevel, and voila, you have captions. All right, have a great day.